All right, so you should have just completed questions 15 and 16 on your own. We're going to do 17 together, and then you'll do question 18 on your own to finish the assignment. So for question 17, I have x plus 2y equals 4 and x equals y minus 1. So because I have x equals, I'm going to substitute in for x. Instead of an x in the first equation, I'm going to write y minus 1. So this first equation becomes y minus 1 plus 2y equals 4. I just substituted in equals for equals, got rid of the x, put in what it was equal to. Now that I have only y's, I can go ahead and solve my equation. I'm going to combine like terms first. So y and 2y makes 3y. Then bring down the minus 1 equals 4. From here, I'm going to add 1 to both sides. And I get 3y is equal to 5. Now I need to divide by 3. And I get y equals, I'm going to leave this as the fraction 5 over 3, 5/3, just because if you do this in your calculator, it gives you a really nasty decimal. Or if you want, you could write this as 1 2/3. Whichever you prefer. Both are correct. So now that I know that y is equal to 5/3 or 1 2/3, I'm going to go ahead and find x. I know that x is equal to our y coordinate minus 1. For y, we got 5/3 or 1 2/3, whichever you prefer, minus 1. So then x equals, you can type this right into your calculator, you should get 2/3. And again, I'm leaving this as the fraction 2/3 because if you make it a decimal, you get a repeating decimal that never ends. And we want to keep our numbers as true as possible. If you write 0.6, that is a little bit different than 2/3. So I'm going to leave this as 2/3. So now my solution, our x coordinate is 2/3. And then our y coordinate 5/3 or 1 2/3. So that's it for question 17. Go ahead and do 18 on your own. And that will be the end of your assignment.